treat us good, sir? What's your definition of treating good, sir?
Yes, short man. Yes,
Bro, man.
Somebody know you on the live shot, man.
Eh?
I love when you're ready for cuss with spit. You know. What?
Bro, man.
So you just say you want me treat you good. You just say you want me treat you good, but then you say I love when you ready. You cuss with spit. I spit that. S-P-I-T. Cause me look like me blind. I love when you ready. You cuss with spit in our faith. Roberts. To God be the glory, great things he has done. The Lord is my shepherd. You just say me not treat you good, but then you want me spitting on your face. You just say me not treating you good, but no, you like the rough treatment. No, I cannot just spit in someone's face unless them spit at me. Okay? Do not provoke me, Robert. Short man, give me back my compliment. Not cut my compliment. Short man, I give me, eh? Make short man give me my little testimony.
Listen to this crazy. And listen to me, Queenie, as an elder. You're soon 60-year-old. Anything you tell me now, tell from me. You tell from me. You know, say you're a girl that very, very loving and nice. And you, when it comes to love, I'm crazy that. Not because you're crazy, but you're full of love.
Thank you.
God born you that way.
Thank you. It's
and
true.
You cannot change.
Yeah.
No matter what you do, because we take in all your things on Instagram. No, all of them, but we can't take in, you know. Sometimes you born me and say, yes, crazy, you're a genuine loving woman. They say, do you now come up home?
You like that line, the short man.
That is the soap that thought the way you make. You come like the company on my football time or so. And I root me, I go when somebody say they love you.
That's true.
When somebody say they love you, it's a very, very wonderful thing. You know, some people have it like a lollipop thing, you know.
Yeah, take it for joke and mackerel.
Yeah.
And them can't see the passion and the beauty.
Because you see, you have to have God, you have the passion and love.
Short man, them out them say where your teeth there.
You gone. Some down top and some down bottom.
Yeah. Are you proud of yourself?
I'm here to be nice cup of meat that we can't get around and sick all of them things. And we are decent fisherman.
And no people sick and have them teeth and dead and gone.
Shark gone with it.
Yeah.
So we don't bother with it no more.
Yeah.
Shark gone with it. And we have to go around the shark though. Yeah. But then we're still a true and we eat comfortable. And we live decent and nice. And we heart are very, very clean. And we don't have to wash it 100 bucket of water. Because we're born that way. And crazy born that way.
Yes, fisherman.
And we don't want nothing from crazy. All we want from crazy is to know the crazy healthy and strong.
Tell them too all time.
No, they're not. They're
Tell
right.
them say shark guy with the teeth.
Shark guy with the teeth.
Fisherman.
Them say skin dark and nice. Yeah, them skin dark and nice, it's true. See somebody with no beauty there. Thick, nice maroon skin them have. I don't know me love that dark skin.
Whosoever gave me that compliment, I love you for that. So much. You see, you're a person of quality.
Yes.
Because you know quality. That's talking about quality.
Quality. Yeah.
You're always in the quality line. You don't go home and
the found we have on the wally party them afraid to come on live because they have confidence. Move on a dirty blood clot. Not confident to not have.
No quality.
I'm afraid I don't not even quality, I'm afraid I don't want a blood clot image. Not confident, just in some other face with a dent of blood clots and so then get a powder. Move on a dirty blood clot. But soon with the powder, you're not so now pump.
We don't use those things.
They don't have no
that.
confidence, no curve, no stay free.
And no quality. Quality is
you know.
No confidence, no curve, no stay free. They don't have.
And you have to be special to have quality. You have to be born special to have quality.
Ooh.
We are all quality people. We don't go in quantity line.
Alright, so no go on now, no man.
Alright, don't do it.
No, not you, shot man. I them were trouble. No, shot.
When they come from Crazy Hotel or what?
All over the world, them there, everywhere. Which one of them? Let me tell you, shot man. You need to make that saloon move on a slang. Move your blood clot. I have to say it not
that woman never give me a nice start. Which one come from?
Where you love from, fam?
I want to know where you come from, baby. That's the quality why not even want to know where you come from.
Them say skin clean, them like them. Sharp boy, hey, sharp man, a hot boy, you know. Hey, what is it? Portsmouth, just to cut up on the live. Fort Jenna, I'm gonna see a Fort Jenna.
You're dealing with so we don't see your girl. We will want to see you come here. Godfather, get to God, pick me up a nice scheme.
No, it's not good word.
You tell us something.
Yes.
I'm not talking to everybody here this morning.
Yes.
I may tell you from your hand. If this can pick me, can't be for me, grandpa. I must have an half that here. Piece of you and piece of me.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Piece now, go make it nice. Me, I go take the whole life. I take piece.
I'm going to take rock then.
Alright, you're cool with that.
Yeah, you take the piece and you take the rock.
No, I know more God pit. I must God pit like I do remember them.
Some come from all over the world. Come on, in such a way, they say
Birmingham.
Birmingham.
Birmingham come from?
Can't take your shot, man.
No, no, there you go.
UK. Yala, oh! Robert, where you come from? Robert, where you trouble me? You come from, America. Right, didn't get to tell. Oh, please. Toronto, Canada, Jamaica, Lady Cure, eh? Where have you been back?
And I know we have to come up and never get this thing. Dog of mercy.
Make me see.
Dog of mercy. A fear fish will kill with it. Fear fish and shark. And if people put themselves in a race so they get guts.
Alright, that's so easy.
If I ain't gonna then say with that, you get 5 years just to have that. But you did in the day England. I'm not troubling you. Robert, you trouble me. Can you leave me alone, Robert?
No, man, we don't cut it. It's not cut the man. We set it a special rate. Like when the police set them gun and put it on top. That means they even drop the campfire. That's how we live nice and live in style. No, this is the sea crux. This one is for the sea. This one is for the sea.
Them say short man sexy, big up short man. Bomba clock, crazy. Hey, short man a hot boy. If you ever send short man beard and dress up.